civil danger warning for the city of St. Louis. The following message is transmitted at the request of the St. Louis Police Department. Witnesses reported untamed turkeys attacking people in the downtown area. Already, 7 people have been seriously injured and currently are in stable condition at a local hospital. The St. Louis Police Department is currently trying to take down these turkeys, and will address the public as the situation develops. The mayor has issued a mandatory curfew for the city of St. Louis until further notice. If you are on the road, pull over to the nearest building and shelter in place until this situation ends. Continue to monitor local radio stations on the latest information.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow